Good looks can help you in your success. We do a lot of workshops for insurance and real estate companies. We often tell them, ingat kayo when you talk on the table because habang nagasalita ka and your nails are dirty, the customer will say, why will I buy a condominium from you when your nails are so dirty? And it reflects so much about you and your company. I would assume people are now starting to look at your nails, right? The good thing is, if your customers don't see you a lot and it's just your face, that's fine. But if you talk to someone, please make sure you clean your nails, right? Because when you look at presentability, there are three things that most people look at. It's your nails. What are the other two? The first thing that they look at. Shoes somehow, but not everyone kasi looks down eh. When they look at your face, your nails, what else? It's your teeth. What's the second one? It's your hair. Hair. Okay? Si ate nose talaga agad, no? Na-conscious tuloy lahat tayo sa nose natin. Right? Could be your hair. So manage those because those three things reflect about not just your cleanliness or your grooming, but the amount of time you spend because it matters for you.